Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Yes, now we're going to conclude to create and the entire user system of the integration today to doing this activity. First, I'm going to give an overview to you all. System user integration creation to the entire organization is nothing, but we are going to creating a new integration cloud system to secure our data in the database from organization server to cloud service. To doing this activity, we need to create an user integration system. We need to go to the software. We need to enter here T, create system user. We will get immediately create an integration system user task. Have it tap on this option. We will get the complete account and functional name. Here we can able to do three ways of integration account creation. One would be the client name. Second would be an organization name. Third would be a project name. You can create your own integration system according to your organization logs. To doing this activity, you need to go to the username and enter your username on here. iPhone project. And enter the password for the cloud system. I'm just usually entering here. If CCAP set 8, and we need to enter the same password on here 12A6789. And do not enable this. Generate a random password and require a new password for the next signing. Do not enable this. Both the bloggers just leave as an empty session time or minutes we can able to mention. If we constantly not using the session, or if we open the application, or if we just left at the application, according to the it will be going to be enclosed within 30 minutes if you did not use anything in your system. This usually, if it is an organization, they will mention minimum 5 to 8 minutes of generation of time. Post updating all these activities, you need to have it up onto that. Do not allow UIA session. Please make it as an enable. Do not. Sorry, do not enable it, make it as and disable it since. Once we created, we got a new user creation under the integration systems of iPhone. Have it up onto the 3 action dots. Under this, you need to go on to the they could configuration web services and securities. Have it up on this option. See here, enable X, Y, 0 token and authority it was. Look, it's appearing. These are testimonials. In this process, you will get your organization name. If your organization name has been reflected, you need to be an enable. Your or your organization authentication should be at enable. And public key, this will be reflected on same on your live tenants. Go to the all. Under this, you need to have a select of your client iPhone project, or you know your organization name or your client name, whatever it may be there. And you need to select on accordingly, as if not to show you I'm going to selecting as a test, enable all the same other authentication. That means you know a similar means, you know there was a short form, just you know. Let me tell you. It's a militant security, assistance of, markup language, which is, yes, I am here. Observation would be its security. Assistance markup languages. We need to make this as an enable to maintain our security languages and as well as security authorities. And we need to take this network server details on same. Go to the all and have a select of your project. If it is in project, we need to select your project. If it is in client, we need to select your client names. And if it is an organization, we need to select our organization. Data would be preloaded. From actions out to be out to browse through config web service after actions. I did not understand the question. From actions, once we click the action. How to go to configure web service security? I will tell you. Have a tap onto the, and post completing this, we activated our integration system of creation. Immediately on this iPhone, it was just showing an iPhone project along with it. They will, if we are in the live system, it will generate to us one ID number. We need to track that ID to give you to sharing that ID to our network. Understand, in this place you will get along with iPhone project. You will get one integration system user ID. In the numerical numbers with the 8 digits, those digits you need to submit to your networking team and have an export this file and download it and have a tap onto that done. You have your configuration of web services. You can file this your details on here and share it your new account details to your hierarchy. Active checklist. Email checklist. You need to follow and you need to share with them on icon. In this Excel sheet, we need not. I'll explain your model for this. I don't need to upload anything. Just as it is, whatever we download, it should be shared to the concern request. Yes. We need to go here. Mother first. And we need to tap on to the create an integration system user. Post submitting all these details here. This I understood after creation. Understand? But once I run the system immediately, it will not update it in your search bar. Genuine servers, we have it. Post entered your password. Make it as an example. Take it as an example. Go to the three dots of actions you will get and work there. From here, you need to go to your configuration of your web services. Click. Yes, that's clear. From here, I know. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.